Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the Design Space app from your phone to create this gorgeous thank you card using the card mat. So whatever mobile device you have, this app looks the same. You log in and you will see this page first. The photos usually will change but the layout stays the same. I go to the search bar and type in Thanks Floral Card and select search. So I'm going to select this card design and it will bring you to this page. Here you can read about this card, see the sizings, material info and some basic instructions. But from here I just tap Make It. Now because this is a pre-designed card, these fields are pre-selected for you, which makes it super quick. So you don't need to change anything. Click this section here and this screen will appear. And then click Continue. For select an accessory, just choose the joy and then tap Continue. I am using the Cricut insert cards today, so from this screen I choose Insert Card Cardstock. If you are using your own cards, you could choose medium cardstock or something else. Now that my cardstock is set, I need to load the mat. The insert set I am using today is the grey silver holographic pack, and I'll leave a link to that in the description below. Open the card and from the left, slide one side of the folded card underneath the plastic divider. Press the front of the card into the adhesive of the mat really well, and then insert the card into the machine with the arrow end first. The joy should then automatically load the mat and also make sure it is aligned. Once all that is done, you then tap Go to start cutting. Now that the joy has cut your card, tap Unload to remove the mat. From here, you just need to gently peel away the card from the mat, remove any of the leftover pieces of cardstock, and then insert the holographic insert card. So from here, you could either handwrite a sentiment or use the joy to write it for you. I'll show you how to do that in another video. If this video has helped you, please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more fun crafty videos, and I will see you again in the next video.